Hey kiddos, this activity is called missing prices. This is what your slides are going to look like. And the top is going to have just a little information about what's going on here. And this one is Paul, George, and Ringo paid the same price for each type of item. Use the amounts in the sales slips to figure out the missing prices, then find the totals. So you see Paul's sales slip, George's sales slip, and Ringo's sales slip. You'll notice they all bought the same items. So they got golf balls, bags of teas. Oh, that's teas like you're drinking a cup of tea. Teas. Ball markers, towels, and then a total price at the end. So what you need to do is you're going to be kind of using ratios here to figure out what the individual price would be for each one of these items, and then apply that to figure out all these missing numbers that are in here, these white boxes. Okay, so if we look across the top row for each one of these sales slips, we see golf balls. Okay, now we don't know how much George spent on golf balls. We don't know how much Ringo spent on golf balls. But looking over here at Paul, we see that he got 4 golf balls and he spent $12. So what we need to do is figure out how much one golf ball would have cost. So how we're going to do that is we want to divide the price by the number of golf balls that he bought, right? So if 4 was 12, we'd want to divide $12 by 4 because that would give us the unit price. So can you figure out what 12 divided by 4 is? Or 4 times what would give us what? Did you figure that out? So the answer would be 3, right? If you got 4 golf balls and the total price was $12, each one would have to be $3. So looking across here, I see Ringo only bought 1. So in this spot, I'm going to put $3. And here I see George. He bought 3 golf balls. So if you got 3 golf balls and each one cost $3, how much did George spend on those golf balls? Did you figure it out? 3 golf balls at $3 a piece, that would give us $9. We would just add 3 times, or we could think of it as 3 times 3, and that'd give us 9. Moving down here to bags of teas. We don't know what Paul spent. We don't know what George spent. But coming over here, we have Ringo, who got 3 bags of teas, and he spent $4.50. Ooh, so we got some cents here, not just the dollars. So 3 bags of teas for $4.50. How much would each bag of teas cost if 3 of them cost $4.50? Did you figure it out? So 3 bags. So if each one was $1, it'd be $3, which is too small. It's not enough. So if each bag was $2, it would be 6. So that's too much. So it's got to be in between $1 and $2, right? So did you figure out what it was? It's actually $1.50, right? $1.50 for 1. For 2 of them, that would give us $3, right? $1.50, $1.50. So then 3 bags of teas was $4.50. How much would 4 bags of teas cost? If there's 4 bags of teas and each bag costs $1.50. Be $6, right? One way to think about that is 4 bags at $1.50. So if we multiplied that $1.50 by 4, $1 4 times is $4. And 50 cents 4 times is $2. And then we just add our $4, $2 together, and that gives us $6. So that is how this page is going to work. I'm going to stop there, and you guys can work out yours, starting on yours. And just remember the total at the bottom, that is the sum of their entire slip. So you'd have to add up what each one of these are, and then that would give us the total cost of their slip. So take your time, do a good job.